Hello everyone. Hope you're doing great. Welcome to my channel. So today I want to show something interesting. It's one of my apps or products. Uh, Essentially I created this in HTML, CSS, a bit of a static website or an app, you know. So essentially I created this to help myself to access specific useful information rather than, just get bombarded with huge information online or various other sources. So let me quickly go through this app that I developed. I just named it as App Delta. Why it is called as App Delta? I said, I say it App Delta because it's the confluence of the most useful apps. All right. So that's how I named it as App Delta, but it is under trademark. So let me just show you that immediately. So I would, uh, so this is the URL. I'll share the URL as well pretty soon. So I'll share the URL. So it's a app delta, simple yet powerful confluence of most useful apps. So let me just quickly show you this in few minutes. Okay, I just want to wrap this up in few minutes. Uh, so essentially, for example, right in the current world, we have the AI tools, right? Artificial intelligence. A lot of tools coming up, and humongous information around that. So, what could be the best solution that I can access everything at one place, right? So, we have spaces, Hugging Face spaces. That's fine. But this app is a bit more than that as well. So I have included all the categories into this information. I know there are also bookmarks in the web browser that can help in the same perspective. But I think once you access this, you will get to know that the UI is so intuitive. So for example, artificial intelligence, right? So I have AI. So I put this as AI. So whenever you go here, you can see a good response in the UI. So it says click when you click it, right? So when you click it, so I can see all the AI. I just placed all the AI apps that are coming up rampant right nowadays. So just so Chat GPT, when I click on it, I go to Chat GPT. When I use DeepSeek, I go to DeepSeek. Quen, I go to Quen Alibaba. Chat GPT Plus, all into the one different tabs here. You could see that, right? Chat GPT Plus, I think they have put it duplicate there, but Hugging Face Spaces, you could see a lot of. So I think this is one of the recent findings that Hugging Face Spaces, and then you go Microsoft Copilot, all in one browser, different tabs, Google Gemini, V0 Dev. So I need to uh, extend all this with more AI tools as well, with more links. So I'd be doing that very shortly. All right. So if you see, yeah, this is under AI. For example, if I go into education and training, so I could just see, EDX, all this, you can go into them. So all of them into one tab, and then you can just bookmark all of them, right? You can just bookmark all the tabs at once. So this is how why I would do like this rather than going into the websites, because I know that this app will be helpful for me to access only specific information. So Khan Academy. So I don't want to access any other lot. I would say a lot of information. I don't want to access lot of information. So hopefully you'll enjoy this tool. So for example, finance. So you see that finance, a lot of things are there. So when you open this in your mobile also, it is a bootstrap. It's a flexible app, but at the same time, you once you click on that, your mobile app will open. All right. So for example, health and fitness. So when you open something like cult.fit, yeah, it will open your mobile app if you open it in mobile. So I put all the searches also in one thing, all of them. So this is useful. So let me just say one more, show you one more thing that I have included some amazing AI references here. You could just access them, and then you could have those, you know, some of the most amazing AI references in the current world. It references the greatest AI tools right now that are running, and also the greatest. I would say that I would say the greatest people on earth who are actually accessing, or who are actually digging out a lot of AI tools. All right. So and let me show you one interesting one. One interesting thing is, this app can also be extended to be more flexible. So I have put one button called as inject. So when you go into inject, right? So I have created something using an AI tool, which I can use the voice control as well. So for example, I call this at app delta. Now, I put login and sign up. That's fine. So what I would do here, right? I would, uh, you know, so for example, I have different categories here, right? So add a project here. Uh, so not the project, but edit filters. Now I add a new filter, something called as AI. Then I add it. So you see that AI is added when I click on done. So the AI is in there. So within AI, I want to add a project. So something like ChatGPT, that's fine. HTTPS chatgpt.com something. Okay. Image URL google.com, something like that. And then I will put this under AI, add project. So you would see that add the project is added under AI, but I don't have the image. So just go to the ChatGPT. You will get it in ChatGPT. So what would you do with this? Now again, you go into this, and then you install Pages app. You install that. So you could actually find it out here, right? So you can just pin it to your taskbar as well. So, and you can install it as an app. So you could actually do injection of your elements into the UI. So let me show you um, let me show something on the voice control. So it's a bit interesting one. So let me do a start voice control. Show me web. All right. Okay. Show web. You see that? I can show mobile. I was going to start design. Show design. Yeah. Edit filters. So you could see that, right? Voice control. So I just add. Hope you'll enjoy this. But please don't forget to see this greatest AI references as well. So I used a lot of AI to make these tools. So which you can access in here. Amazing AI references. When you click that, you go into that and set a nominal price. Get references and great AI tools. So this document includes a great reference to the greatest AI tools out there. Help you make and also lifts your hopes for the future. And reference to the greatest people working on AI and making human life better. All right. So I hope you enjoy this, and I'll catch you up in my next session. Thank you.